Hello and welcome back for another video. If you are new here, my name is Courtney and my twin sister Ashley and I share this channel together. Today's video, as you can tell, is a quick pick-me-up of the master bedroom. Massive folding on the laundry because obviously I got behind on folding and putting it away. Nothing new here. And also, woo guys, my refrigerator needed a deep clean. It was pretty bad in there. So if you are in the mood for, well, if you need some motivation for just a quick pick me up or laundry motivation or refrigerator deep clean, then this is definitely the video for you. I will stop jibber jabbering and we'll get into giving you guys some motivation, and I will pop in and out when needed, guys. Let's start off in the master bedroom with the quick pick me up and then into the laundry.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my home, and I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side, that's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map, we get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map, we get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. We know. Every day's a new day and it is a blessing. I hit the studio cause we got a session. Sunset Boulevard where we all come through. But don't let the money and the fame change you. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my home, and I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side, that's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map, we get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map, we get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. We know. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map, we get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map, we get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. Ooh, we on it. We know what's up.
So that last clip with the laundry basket, I went into the dryer and grabbed the dry load inside there. Let me know down in the comments, what do you like to do while you're folding your laundry? Do you nothing at all and just concentrate on the laundry? Do you watch Netflix, like a show or documentaries, or do you listen to a podcast or watch a podcast or anything like that? Me, it all depends. Either I'll watch YouTube because I like watching other cleaning channels and or documentaries on there, or I will throw on a show on Netflix, but 9 times out of 10 I end up putting a YouTube video up on my laptop to the side there and watching it there. So let me know how you like to fold your laundry. Well, not the way you fold your laundry, but what you like to do or listen to or watch while you do your laundry. So let's get into doing these 4 loads of laundry. Whew, I'm surprised my arms aren't killing me, but I got it done. So, if you couldn't tell, I was very into the show that I ended up picking. It was called Made. It's new to Netflix. It's a limited time series. And oh my goodness, my emotions were everywhere with this show. If you have not seen it yet, you need to watch it. I'm not going to give any spoiler alerts of what it's about or anything like that. But if you have seen it, leave a heart, a purple heart emoji down below because you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, as you can see, I did hyperspeed on folding this laundry. If I didn't do it that way, we would be sitting here forever watching me fold laundry. I feel like even with the hyperspeed, guys, this is over times 20. And if I didn't do it, like, oh God, we'd be here forever. But anyways, I figured right now would be a good time to introduce myself. So, well, first, I'm going to be putting this laundry away, but now I'm going to let you know. My name is Courtney. If you are new here and you didn't hear it in the beginning, my twin sister, Ashley, and I, we share this YouTube channel together. I upload on Saturdays and she uploads on Wednesdays. I am 29 years old. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 daughters. I have a 10-year-old and a 3-year-old. Me and my significant other, Matt, have been together for 12 years. We are like basically a married couple without being married, basically it. I have a dog. She is 7. I'm pretty sure she's 7 years old. Her name is Astra. She's a pit bull. And we moved into this house July of 2020. And I'm still trying to figure out things in this house as we go. And being behind on laundry is definitely something that I'm very great at in this house. But I also want to throw out there, if you need some Halloween decorating ideas, I do have some videos that I uploaded last week of my living room and entryway, my kitchen, and my downstairs bathroom. So I am done jibber jabbering, and yeah, I'll pop in and out if I need to explain anything else. In the overview, I forgot to show you inside the drawers, but when I get into cleaning them, you will see them. 2 of them are pretty bad, so I just wanted to pop in and tell you that I will be showing you inside the drawers as well, and you will see it all cleaned out and everything like that, and me putting everything back as well. So as I am taking everything out of this fridge, I am taking out food that is no longer good, expired, and all of that jazz. So give you motivation also to get rid of anything that does not need to be in there anymore and basically not edible. So let's get into deep cleaning this fridge because it was much needed. You've seen the hair, the crumbs, the stains, and all of that. So no regrets here. Real life, real messes. And if that's for you, make sure you subscribe.
lately it's been really confusing. I just can't understand. You say that you're catching feelings, but I'm always left on red. Ooh, no. And every time we meet, nothing is off beat. Deep down I gotta say, I'm digging your vibe. Your vibe. There's something, it's the fact. You're switching up again. I don't know what's your move. Tell me, baby, what to do. Why are you messing with my mind? First you tell me that you're all mine, then you say you need some time. You can't decide, and it leaves me asking, tell me which lane I am choosing. Should I stay or go? Cause I can't keep on waiting for something when you still say you don't know. Hell nah. And every time we meet, nothing is off beat. Deep down I gotta say, I'm digging your vibe. I'm digging. There's something, it's the fact. You're switching up again. I don't know what's your move. Tell me, baby, what to do. Why are you messing with my mind? First you tell me that you're all mine. Then you say you need some time. You can't decide, but you leave me asking why. Are you messing with my mind? You left me. First you tell me that you're all mine, then you say you need some time. You can't decide, and it leaves me asking.
So I want to come in here and say I'm so sorry for the angles, guys. It is so hard to record in such a tight little spot when you're trying to like show everything, but I was hoping you guys kind of got the idea, especially after I show the overview of it all cleaned out and wiped down, of how like clean I did get it. So I just want to apologize for that, and also for the lighting. I use my phone to record, and I use the iPhone 7 Plus, and lately it's been really acting up, and Ashley uses the same phone as well, and her phone's been acting up. Not sure if they're becoming obsolete or something like that. So here is the overview of all of it, nice and clean. So yeah, guys, I hope you got the idea, and I do apologize about that. But now I will be showing you guys how I restock up my fridge, and yeah, let's get into stocking up this fridge.
You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Back to you. You deserve
So this is basically the end of the video, and I will show you an overview of it nice and stocked. But I wanted to say thank you guys so much for choosing my video to watch today. I hope it gave you a little bit of motivation to get just a little something done in your home. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you give it a thumbs up and you share it and you also subscribe and leave a comment down below, it helps our channel grow. And that's what we want to do. We want to spread us as far as we can so that way we can give as many people motivation that we can. So it helps YouTube recognize us and throw us out there for everyone. But again, I appreciate you watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys next week. Bye.